Hey guys, happy Monday. Today I want to share my experience of what or how to overcome challenges when you are trying to change any of your habits. Changing habits are very difficult because they are deeply rooted in your subconscious mind, and when you are trying to work on something which is on the root level, it takes a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work, and the most important thing is being consciously aware around that habit, right? So whenever we are starting to change our habits, we always reflect back on our older patterns and trying to analyze that from where it is coming, like the root cause of this habit, how we are going to change it, strategies that will help us changing our habit, what are the consequences, you know and after having a lot of this discussion in our own head, we decide that okay, from now onwards we will try to change this thing about us. I'll give you one example. Suppose if you have somebody who's very close to you, maybe your spouse, your partner, or your mother, anyone for whom, like, that whenever you have discussion with them on certain topics, that convert into arguments and it always end in a very bad way. So you decided that from now onwards, if ever we have discussion on this topic, I'll make sure that I'm not reacting. I will try to listen to her and try to understand what and from where it is coming, right? So here comes when you sit together and you're talking, laughing, and she starts speaking about that topic, and you're listening to her, reminding yourself, just stick to the plan, just stick to the plan in your head. And she's keep on speaking about it. You're losing your patience. You're just thinking, what the nonsense, yeah, what she's saying. Is she even listening to herself? And you're losing your patience, and bam, you are into that discussion with more intensity, and you just burst into anger on her, and that situation became even more worse than it used to be. After some time, when it's over, you feel so much regret, and you feel that in spite of deciding everything, I am into the same situation. You feel that you will try next time, but you always find that next time also you are in the same situation. So we end up giving up. We feel that maybe I cannot change this habit about me, because no matter how much I'm trying, I'm always getting into the same situation. I'll tell you this thing, that we always go through this process where initially you find yourself in the same situation in spite of being aware. Suppose in the same situation, you will know this thing when arguments are over, right? After few months, you will know when you are in the middle of argument. After few months, you will realize, even before you say anything, after sometimes you will just know that this is about to happen. And this is how transformation happens. It takes a lot of time to really reach at the level where you are finally have taken control over your habit or the things that you want to change. Tell me one thing, if you want to see any major physical changes in your body at the physical level, is it possible to just bring that change in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, months? It takes months and years just to see some major changes on your body. So how can you expect your brain to change immediately, right? Think about it. We really need to be very patient about ourselves whenever we are trying to change something which is on autopilot for months and years, right? It's okay to feel pathetic and irritated and frustrated just because we are doing the same thing in spite of deciding, but you have to keep making changes into it. Change the strategies that are working for you. If this is not working, then find out something else. Keep replacing it, keep putting efforts that how you can at least improve from what you were before, right? What it was before. So eventually a day will come that by being aware about this thing and making certain changes, you will change that habit completely, right? So don't give up on yourself, keep trying, and don't get harsh on yourself that okay, this is not happening, this is not happening. It's okay, it's not happening, it will, one day it will, but you just have to keep trying. Yes, and let me know what are the other things that you feel or face when you are trying to change habits, if we can work out together on them. Have a beautiful and wonderful week ahead.